semalam di Art Jakarta Gardens.
masters of painting or the culinary arts. Some people are masters of science and all its many parts.